Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open and exit the recovery mode on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. First we need to power off our device, so let's open the power menu and let's turn off. Now once the device is off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So let's do this, press and hold, and there we go. Now we can see the fast boot mode. And over here we need to use volume up or volume down in order to navigate, and we need to find recovery mode, and then we need to accept this option by pressing the power button. And there we go. Now we will see the hello moto text, and we need to wait a couple of seconds, after which we should see the no command. There we go, the no command text. And now we need to press and hold the power button, and once we press and hold the power button, we want to press the volume up button shortly after, while holding the power button at the same time. So press and hold power button and press volume up, and there we go, we can release the power button. And here we have the recovery mode, where we have several different options. And in order to exit, or actually to navigate, let's start with that. In order to navigate, once again you use volume up and down buttons, and you confirm the selected option by pressing the power button. So if you want to exit the recovery mode, you need to, for instance, go to reboot system now and then choose this option by pressing the power button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.